I have seen some projects that use it or try to use it, the the human interface human interface with 3D drawings. I don't like that way of working because what matters here for the operator is to verify the temperature, the pressure, the flow, or in summary, to identify the process conditions of the system and which part of the process what's happening in each part of the process. So there is any need to this be in 3D mode because this is not a pipe instrumentation diagram. It's not supposed to have manual valves here. The correct documents to have the manual valves, to have the some fittings in the process is the pipe instrumentation diagram. In my point of view, when you try to add the pipe instrumentation diagram to human interface machine or human machine interface, you are adding more information that are needed, and it will not help the operations. The operator must know the process flow diagram, and he or she must know the piping and instrumentation diagram. And between them, they will use the SCADA screen or the control room screen to do the verifications.